So we were discussing carbohydrates. In that we just saw oligo, poly, like all were done in the only intro class, but in this we are going to see a polysaccharide a little more. So today's topic will be polysaccharide. Polysaccharide. In mono we discussed that there would be only one carbon. Okay, and one, and in di, not di but mono, oligo. Second was oligo. In that we just saw there could be from 2 to 10 any, but in this poly you'll find more than 10. We'll also do a differentiate table that would be easy to remember. More than 10. Okay, and the process would be hydrolysis. Okay, then if we talk about the polysaccharide, they have the 10 unit of what? 10 unit of monosaccharide. Hydrolysis here mean if they have a bond, like monosaccharide combined, they'll form a bond, and it could be 10, it could be more than 10. This bond could be breakdown. It can be break by what? It can break by the presence of water. Okay, when there would be water it could also break, but when we talk monosaccharide means single only circle or something. Okay, when we talk about the single monosaccharide, this means there's no any bond what will break in that. So we call polysaccharide as a hydrolysis process. In this you'll find many other. First one you'll find, oh yes, another thing you'll find homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. What are these? Homopolysaccharide, let me just erase the cellulose first. Here you'll find homo and hetero. I'm just writing homo. This is homopolysaccharide, whereas second was heteropolysaccharide. Heteropolysaccharide. Homo means same. So when we talk about the same, like we know that here could be 10 or more than 10. Okay, but when the 10 or more than 10 would be added, but they would be same. When they will be same, they will make a bond, not only bond but they will make a new compound or any other monosaccharide will be formed that would be known as homopolysaccharide. Okay, this should be clear. Then when we talk about the hetero means different. When we talk about the different, we know in this polysaccharide you can have 10 or more than 10. So more than 10 or 8 or any number of monosaccharide added, and they are different and their structure different in their composition, so they will form a different bond, different everything. So that would be known as heterogeneous, not heterogeneous but heteropolysaccharide. Okay, this should be clear. Then in this you'll find other many important, like of other polysaccharide. This could be cellulose. You'll find many other cellulose, glycogen, chitin, starch, glycogen. Then you'll find starch. Then you'll find cellulose, glycogen, starch, chitin. Okay, so let's start with the easiest one. And okay, wait. So starch. In this, first thing, it is made up of alpha glucose. What does this mean? Alpha, we know we have two types of glucose. First is alpha, second is beta. So in this you'll find alpha glucose. So what exactly is the difference between these all? We have discussed in previous videos, but still, when you see a bond, any kind of bond, okay, in that you see H, like hydrogen is present on the above side and OH is present on the down side. When you see hydrogen on the above side, this means this would be known as alpha glucose. Okay, but where what when we talk